ये मेरा लोकस का थर्ड पार्ट है। आज मैं थर्ड पार्ट के लिए बना रही हूँ। फर्स्ट पार्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, डेफिनेशन, उम्मीद है आप सभी समझ गए होंगे। और सेकेंड पार्ट में थ्योरम्स मैंने समझाया अच्छी तरह से, वो भी आपका क्लियर हो गया होगा। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू थर्ड पार्ट। इन थर्ड पार्ट सम एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक टू एक्सप्लेन। कुछ क्वेश्चन इसमें काफ़ी इजी हैं और कुछ क्वेश्चन डिफ़िकल्ट हमने सेलेक्ट किया है। इसके अनुसार आपके एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन अच्छे से बन जाएंगे। फर्स्ट नंबर इज द लोकस ऑफ द सेंटर्स of all circles. Some example already I explained in definition, first part. Like that, one question is there. The locus of the centers of all circles passing through two fixed point. Locus वैसे सेंटर्स का फाइंड आउट करना है जो सभी सर्कल किसी दो फिक्स्ड पॉइंट से पास करते हैं। जस्ट लाइक I am taking two fixed point A and B. Two fixed point A and B. And we have to draw a lot of circle passing through both points. Then we will start to draw circle passing through A and B. This A and this one is B. Another circle I am drawing like this. It's like this. One more circle I want to draw. This. Now find out all the circles center. This circle center is there. This circle center is here and this big one center is there. In this way, if we draw a lot of circles through two fixed points and then get a locus by joining all these points, it is the locus of the centers of all the circles passing through two fixed points, that is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining AB, is always equal to both. That means this line is perpendicular bisector joining all the center of like this circle which are passing through the two fixed points is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining AB. Understood? Same thing you have to explain. You can explain it. First number like this you will explain, and this locus you have to show. Second number is understood. First number. Now second number is the locus of a point in a space which is always at a distance of 4 centimeter from a fixed point. Their question is in a space, and already I had explained you the locus of the moving point equidistant from a fixed point. That means for circle. Suppose this one is moving point P and it is moving such that each and every point is equidistant. It is moving such that each and every point equidistant from the fixed point O. That means with center O and radius R. Already I had explained in definition and introduction portion. In example I was explained. But same thing you imagine in a space. That means in three dimensional it would be a sphere It would be a sphere, just like your example football. It would be a sphere. So second number question you can draw and explain it, and then can write for a sphere. For 3-dimensional it will be a sphere. Okay. Now the locus of a point in a space which is always at a distance of 4 centimeter, that means in 3-dimensional also it can be proved. And now third number is very important question related with your construction and locus. Like this question generally asked in examination. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन ही ज़्यादातर लोकस में पूछे जाते हैं, बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में तुम्हारे पूछे जाते हैं. ये सभी तो एग्जाम्पल्स थे. और थर्ड नंबर क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में पहले तुम्हें याद करना होगा कि 90 डिग्री, 75 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री ऑल एंगल्स कैसे कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं. एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी विल ड्रॉ द अदर थिंग्स. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle ABC is 75 degree. मुझे उम्मीद है 75 डिग्री आप लोग जानते होंगे ड्रॉ करना. इसके लिए हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं BC. तो 75 डिग्री बनाने के लिए फर्स्ट वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट 90 डिग्री एंगल. फर्स्ट वी विल कंस्ट्रक्ट 90 डिग्री एंगल for the 75 degree, like this. We will construct 90 degree angle like this, and then from here, with protector, and again from this point we will cut like this, and again from this we will cut like this, and then join it. And whatever portion which is not given in your question, that we can show by dotted line. Just like 90 degree is not in my question, it is additional thing, so we will use only dotted line. Is looking better. It is 90 degree angle. And now for 75 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, that means this angle is 30 degree. So bisect 30 degree, it means 15 degree. Bisect 30 degree and then draw it. That is, it is 75. It is 75 degree. There 60 degree and this portion is 15 degree. 60 degree, 70 degree and 75 degree. It is 75 degree. This angle is 75 degree. We will write here 75 degree. Now second part, construct a triangle ABC in which angle ABC 75 degree, AB is 5 centimeter, AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 6.4. This distance is 6.4 centimeter. It is 6.4 centimeter. And now BC, AB is given 5 centimeter, so cut AB 5 centimeter like this. It is 5 centimeter AB, and then join AC. Join AC. So I am joining it. AC. Join AC. Draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Then perpendicular bisector like this we are drawing. All of you understand it. From here again it is like this is, and then join it. It is perpendicular bisector. It is perpendicular bisector. That means draw perpendicular bisector of BC and also the bisector of angle ACB, and also bisector of angle ACB. Then recall how to bisect any angle. First we will take this point and then draw one arc, and from both point now cut of same arc like this, and then join it like this. It is perpendicular. They are perpendicular bisector and it is angle bisector. Next your question, if these bisectors intersect each other at point P, they intersect each other at point P, intersects each other at point P, prove that P is equidistant from B and C. Prove that it is equidistant, P is equidistant from B and C. Then how to prove? For this, take a scale and take measurement of BP. This measurement with a scale, we will measure BP and find out it. BP how much? And again PC. Suppose BP is equal X and PC is also X. Both will be equal. BP is equal PC. Both distance will be equal. In copy it will be accurate measurement. With a scale you can find out BP how much and PC. Both distance are equal. Prove that P is equidistant from both the point B and C and also from AC and BC. So all of you recall what was theorem? To find out the distance of any point from the line. From the point first we will draw perpendicular and BC already their perpendicular bisector drawn. So not need to draw again, but AC there is no perpendicular. So to find out the distance between both, suppose a point is given and we have to draw this length. What is the length? Then from this point we will draw one perpendicular and cut it like this and then cut it and then join. That is perpendicular and this one is distance, perpendicular distance. In this way, from P, with the help of protractor, draw one arc like this and again cut it and from here cut it. Then join both point, from both point join it, and then we will check this distance. Suppose their name is A, B, C. This name is D and there is E. Now find out with a scale what is the length of PD and what is the length of PE. PE. If your construction is correct, we will find out PD is equal PE. Understand? Once again listen. Construct a triangle ABC in which angle ABC is 75 degree. Draw BC 6.4 centimeter and angle ABC is 75 degree. For this, first construct a 90 degree, then bisector of 60 degree and 90 degree. It is a BA. Bisector. This angle is ABC is 75 degree. Now cut BA 5 centimeter and join AC. Join AC. And after this your question is draw perpendicular bisector of BC and also the bisector of angle ACB. That means perpendicular bisector of BC. Like this we will draw with general method of construction. Bisector of BC and draw the bisector of angle by taking same arc from both sides and then take it. The intersecting point of both bisectors is P, and again we have to check distance of P from both fixed point B and C equal or not. So take with a scale BP and PC. If your construction is correct, both will be equal, because according to theorems also it should be equal, and that's why both are equal. Next your question is find out the distance line segment BC and AC. For this, we will draw perpendicular from P and AC. This one is your perpendicular, and now we will check both distances are same or not. If both are same, that means your construction is correct. Then also from AC and BC, both will be same. Understood? In this way, in examination, you have to write all steps, steps of construction, each step what you have done in the beginning, and till last you have to write it step by step.